Hey guys, today I'm going to talk about some tips I follow myself. Tip 1. When you got the idea, just open your program and try to make this thing you want to make. Could be in any program, for example, aseprite, Photoshop, Illustrator or something. The most important thing is to start making. Sometimes I will think about too much about how to make these things and if it will go wrong or something. But the thing is, it actually just takes your time to doing nothing. So when I feel that situation, I will just open my program and start to making things. Tip 2. Make a mistake and don't afraid to change your work. What I mean here is to try more, could be different styles or different tools to use, because that sometimes will make your work better. So for example, I was always working on a copy so that I can try new things and not losing the original file, and that was really useful for me because I'm changing the idea often. Step 3. You cooperate with others. Cooperate is really important if you're making something like large process of making games. I think about 2 years ago, I have tried to make the games by myself, but the thing I found is I'm not good at coding and not even interested in it. And also I have the time limit to make the game, so I only managed to make some presentation video of the game, but it's not playable. Then I just realized that if you're one person, it's hard to do everything by yourself just in a limited time. So now I do cooperate with others, programmers, artists, and concept designer together to work out the games, because there's no point about learning something you don't like to do and also doing bad at. So that's the meaning of the cooperate with others. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.